Good afternoon. Welcome to Performance Unlimited. What we have on the test stand here today is a 540 cubic inch big block. Again, Performance Unlimited custom building engines. This gentleman did something I love to do, paint intake manifolds. He wanted the engine painted black. I painted the intake black also. We got the black Holley carburetor on here also. Again, if you're looking for a great turnkey custom crate engine, there's not too many places to look but Proformance Unlimited. We build each engine custom order. So if you'd like us to build you something, 1-800-267-3940. Well, there you have it. Finished product made about 550 some horsepower, and that was at 5,200 RPM. The torque is phenomenal. Steve, show them the torque cord. What do they make? Over 700 foot-pounds of torque, or under 6 something?
Yeah, we got it tuned down to 640, Doug.
640 foot-pounds of torque right off idle. That is what you call a killer piece. Again, Performance Unlimited. Not afraid to show you what we do in our dyno room. Anyone else showing you what they do in their dyno room? I don't think so. Performance Unlimited. There is no other. Thank you.